Working with large power requires a robust, reliable, efficient, and safe power unit from a trusted partner. Atlas Copco is proud to introduce the QAC1500 TwinPower, the most powerful and compact Tier 4 final generator.
The QAC1500 is the first twin-power generator producing over 1 megawatt of prime power in a 20-foot container. Double the flexibility, twice the power.
Power density. With almost 1,200 kilowatts of prime power within a CSC-certified ISO 20 container, this generator delivers 20% more power in less than half the footprint versus comparable market alternatives. That's more than 1 megawatt in a 20-foot container.
Inside, we have two 725 kVA prime power generators mounted in a symmetrical position. Engineered with a 16-liter engine, a more compact exhaust aftertreatment system, and the coolers in a separate room, the addition of electro fans also provides fuel efficiency and noise reduction benefits.
Lower cost of ownership.
The PMS system will run one engine when possible, increasing fuel efficiency up to 40%. This reduces the effects of low loads, providing a longer life for the engine, reducing the need of additional load banking or other costly solutions needed to clear out the effects. Additionally, the electro fans will adapt their speed to the working conditions, optimizing energy consumption and providing up to 12% fuel savings compared to traditional direct flow cooling systems. Believe it or not, the cost on consumables for one equivalent large engine is much higher than two small engines. For example, the total oil capacity for the two engines together is below 25 gallons. That's almost 40% lower than the equivalent single engine generator.
Ease of use.
The intuitive touchscreen interface has all the generator parameters easily accessible in one place. View elements such as fuel, def levels, power output, and all the vital electrical parameters, plus a simple navigation setup. By just pressing one button, the two generators can be easily set up as two independent single units or can be run in twin mode operation. Additional generators can also be added to the installation following the regular power management system setup procedure. For example, the QAC1500 is a 50-60 Hz switchable unit. That means you will be able to power up a 50 Hz or 60 Hz application simultaneously. Power output panel includes 6 rows of cam lock receptacles for a quick and easy connection.
Performance.
The remote cooling system has a compact design with a highly efficient electro fan that is placed in a different compartment than the engine. This reduces noise emission with fuel consumption running at lower speeds compared to the direct flow engine cooling systems. The spillage-free frame can contain up to 110% of all fluids of the QAC1500 generator. The Leroy Summer alternator includes the well-known AREP excitation, ideal for high-demand motor startup applications. The external alarm will promptly warn of any critical issues potentially affecting the performance of the generator. The heavy-duty air cleaners perform a 2-stage filtering process. The first stage includes a cyclonic system for the larger particles, and the second stage consists of a filtering cartridge for the smaller particles.
Application ready.
The centralized QC4004 paralleling controller takes control of the application and allows two generators to operate as one as needed. The two generators combined with the controller gives you redundancy so you never lose power. The TwinPower controller can be set up to cover nearly any power application in the rental business, including peak shaving, blackout-free critical standby, transformer maintenance, export power, and even more. Reduced noise levels, compact footprint, and redundant capabilities make it perfect for applications such as events. If you need massive power, you can easily parallel up to 16 TwinPower units together. That's more than 18.5 megawatts at your fingertips. This makes the QAC1500 the perfect generator for industrial power plant applications.
Serviceability.
It has a true single-side service engine. Oil and fuel filters have been moved to one side to ensure service work can be executed quickly and efficiently, reducing cost and downtime. Either engine can be serviced while the other engine remains running, ensuring no blackouts anytime. Internal oil tanks, coupled with the Murphy Oil Level Maintainer, ensures that oil refill will not be necessary between service intervals. Plus, the oil drain pump will help reduce the downtime during service, and the braided stainless steel fuel lines reduce safety risks and ensure a longer life. By removing this panel, it'll give you easy access for cleaning of the engine cooler. To ensure safety, a battery disconnect switch is standard on each engine to prevent accidental startup. All TwinPower units feature wide doors, which gives easy access to the interior. Plus, to guarantee good visibility and safe access to the interior, we have installed internal lighting.
Standard features.
There are 2 independent fuel tanks, one for each engine, that can be combined if necessary. You can easily increase fuel autonomy by connecting a fuel cell to the external fuel connections or by refilling the internal tanks using the auxiliary fuel pump included in each container. Another feature are the battery chargers that will keep the batteries properly charged and ready to operate even after long periods of inactivity. Inside the container, we have a 725 kVA alternator with the anti-condensation heaters installed, intended to keep the alternators warm enough to avoid water condensation in high humidity environments.
The QAC1500 TwinPower delivers more power per square foot than the competitors, is 50-60 Hz switchable, and uses up to 40% less fuel and CO2 emissions. These features, combined with 24/7 power availability and a low total cost of ownership, make up a generator that is built for your use. The QAC1500 TwinPower generator from Atlas Copco. Double the flexibility, twice the power.